am going to tell you about some secret of success. So when we talk about success, firstly a question come out that what do you mean by success? In my opinion, the right meaning of success for a position, for a person, a position where the person is happy and get master on it. Success doesn't mean that you get a high rank or a position where you don't feel happy. So in our country, there are many people who are not much educated, but now they are at a very successful position. But in our country, there are many people who are much educated, but are not able to get right position or success because they don't have a right answer that what they want to do and what they want to do in their future and what they are now doing is correct for them or not. So in our country, there are many people who have a question that what should we do, hard work or smart work? In my opinion, we do hard work for achieving our success. In my opinion, we should do little bit hard work with smart work. So such as these type of secret tricks and whatever you want to say about success, today I am going to tell you about. So let's start. First point that I want to share with you is that do at what you are good and for which people praise you. In our country, there are many parents who think that without education we can't get success or right position. In my opinion, it is totally wrong because in our country there are many people who are not much educated but now they are at a very high position or you can say that they got a successful position in their life. For example, Sachin Tendulkar, who is 10 fail and now he got a very successful career in his cricket life. Bill Gates, who left over his school periods to making his fortunes and now he is CEO of Microsoft. And now he earns 330 million per month. So education is not only the way by which you can get success. Education is only a medium by which you can get success. So the second point that I want to share with you is that don't mind that what others think. In our country, there are many people who make us think confident and demoralize us when we once fail. So and once we get success, they clap for us and praise us. So you should not mind that what these type of people think because they are just waste of time. So the third point that I want to share with you is the most important point that I want to share with you is that use your mind power. We all are in a level of conscious mind and the upper level of our mind state is subconscious mind. In the world of meditation, we are able to know more about subconscious mind. According to the subconscious mind phenomena, if we repeat and continuously say any line or word, then it enters in our subconscious mind and it helps us to making it true. It is scientifically proved. Now the last point and the fourth point that I want to share with you, just focus on your goal and do hard work. If you search on YouTube or any other website, then many people will say that without doing hard work you can definitely get success. But I think it is totally wrong because if you take an interview of some successful people, then they will definitely say that what type of difficult periods they faced in their life. So you will have to do hard work for achieving your goal and you should just focus on your goal. Don't mind that what others people think. Use your brain power and do at what you are good and for which people praises you. So these all points that I want to share with you, I have shared with you. So I will pray to God that we all will get success in our life. So thanks for listening me very